Today's project, I'm gonna be hanging a mirror. Here's the mirror in question. It's kind of a complicated process as I don't wanna die with shattered glass falling off my wall. My idea is to make a French cleat system.
Oui, a French cleat system. Yeah, you're gonna have a piece of wood right here and a piece of wood right there, and you're gonna attach it to the wall via some screws in either side, and these are called cleats of the French variety. Now this is a great system. First we're gonna have to undo this straight flush cut router bit and replace it with a 45-degree miter bit. This one right here. Okay, we're gonna put the other bit in, tighten it up, and start cutting these 45-degree miters on either side of this piece of walnut. Well done, sir. Look at what you've accomplished. You've made your country proud.
Huh? What? Can't hear you.
With a little help from my friend Tyler, I cut it deep enough. Alrighty then, now that we've chopped all of those miters, we can cut this piece of wood up into its individual pieces. We're gonna need 2 cleats to attach to the mirror and 2 cleats to attach to the wall. Using this Japanese pull saw, really handy tool, I'm going to get rid of this glue joint, which was previously installed into this piece of scrap wood from some other project. Don't really know, can't remember. Anyways, now we have to drill the holes in the proper spot. I'm just using this ruler to scribe some lines so I know where to drill. And then using the drill press and a Forstner bit, we're gonna countersink first and then drill the through holes like this. These are the ones that are going on the wall, and the ones I'm holding right now will actually be installed on the mirror. They were a little bit rough from the way I cut them, so we're gonna use this hand plane to smooth things around. Now I gotta search for a stud. I don't really know how these things work, but through black magic and sheer willpower, I've actually managed to find some studs. And yeah, let's drill these in. Oh, bummer.
Ladies and gentlemen, dude, the eagle has landed.
Feel how solid that is.
That is, wow, that's solid.
Okay, we can find the stud for the other cleat. This takes a little bit of time, just double checking with the tape measure for height. Drill a pilot hole, and now both cleats are installed. Great job. Looks nice and level. We can go ahead and install the cleats on the mirror. Just drilled some pilot holes and installed with some nice sturdy wood screws. Notice I just used some double-sided tape to attach that extra cleat on the bottom. That way the mirror will be held away from the wall at the same width.
Do you think it'll work or not?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I'm in. Wow, it's so cool.
It's like perfectly level.
It's perfectly level.
Looks amazing. Cinematic. Oh yeah, baby.